I'm also wondering, you had mentioned something like toxicity in the brain. So I'm wondering, maybe you could expand a little bit on that. Like, what kind of toxicity do you see a lot of in different conditions, especially something like ADHD or anxiety? Is there a specific pattern? Are you seeing things like metals or certain chemicals? What exactly are you seeing on your end with that stuff?
Yeah, very good question. And as I entered this arena, and really, again, it's one thing to provide therapies and treatments for people, but at the same time, a good practitioner is also digging in deep to help their patients or their clients understand, all right, what caused these things? What caused your brain to be in this condition in the first place? So while we're getting it better, let's start to work on the causative factors, either eliminating those, mitigating them, or removing them completely. And one of the things I came to learn is, especially through the acute EEG analysis, is toxicity runs rampant. I mean, for all of us. And I know this for certain because as I started to explore this more, I then got into the realm of functional medicine laboratory testing. And part of what I do for a lot of my clients and patients is heavy metal toxicity. We also run tests to look at inorganic and organic toxins from petrochemicals, plastics, herbicides, organophosphates. But heavy metals, I mean, very prevalent. In fact, I'd have to estimate, of all the laboratory tests that have come across my desk and I've done interpretations on, I've had probably 90% test positive for some level of bioaccumulation of heavy metals, whether it be aluminum, mercury, arsenic, or a combination of all of that. And that really, really affects brain function. And that's something that stays with you for life unless you detoxify it from your brain and body, particularly mercury and aluminum. And then you start combining those two at high levels, and they start to have a synergistic toxic effect on the brain as well. So it's a big part of what I do in my practice. So again, as a person's improving brain function through neurofeedback training, we're also helping them to uncover what caused it, primarily toxins, chemical toxins and such, and then remove those through a detoxification process.